I decided to do my Bloom's taxonomy on Mulan. Um, the very first one is going to be knowledge, which is going to be the call of information, discovery, or observation. Um, so the knowledge that they have behind the scene is when the bad guys are trying to take over China and rule China. And the reason that they know this is because they've run into this guy before, and plus, I mean, like right here, he's like trying to have the emperor bow to him, and he doesn't want him to. And I mean, not that he doesn't want him to, but he doesn't do it because he isn't going to surrender China. So there's a lot of different background where they've run into this guy and how he wants to rule. Comprehension would be understanding, translating, or summarizing, or demonstrating, discussing. The comprehension that they have is obviously that they're fighting back, um, which gives them a deeper comprehension of just what exactly they're after and what they're willing to do to reach that goal. The bad guys, and comprehension for them trying to win. Application, using and applying knowledge using problem solving methods. So the application of what they're applying is when they all were learning how to fight. Earlier in this movie, when they first started, none of them knew how to fight and couldn't really defend themselves. And this would be an application of everything that they had learned while they were in, I want to say it was school, but they weren't in school, but just like while they were learning how to fight and defend their country. Analysis, identifying and analyzing patterns, organization of ideas, or recognizing trends. So the analysis here would be right then when the bad guy realizes that Mulan was the guy that he had ran into and got away, and he gets really pissed and he's now trying to go after Mulan. So that would be the analysis. The synthesis is using old concepts to create new ideas, design an intervention. So I think where the synthesis comes into play is when Mushu goes and gets the firework and explodes it off in the middle of this fight on the roof. I think that's what synthesis, because they're using old concepts, which would be different techniques of fighting, and they are designing and innovating a way that they can win. And then the last one is creating or evaluation, which would be the very end of this scene where they end up winning and they take down the bad guy. And then they end up saving China from the bad man and all of his friends and leaving the emperor in charge. So I think that would be like my 6 parts of Bloom taxonomy on Mulan. And I'm just going to kind of let this play because right here, this is where I was talking about what my evaluating goes into, where they're like creating new ideas. And then right here, and right here would be the creating where they won and they defeat, and now the emperor still runs China.